ABCD phonics song. Doodle Kids School. Hello kids, let's learn the alphabet with sounds and fun actions. Sing along with me. I says apple, apple, crunch, crunch, crunch. B says ball, bounce, jump, jump. C says cat, cat, meow, meow. D says dog, dog, bow, wow. E says egg, crack, crack. Says I, fish, 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 swim so fast. G says goat, goat, jump up high. H says hat, 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 wave goodbye. B, C, D, sing with me. E, F, G, H, learning is fun. At Doodle Kids School we love to play, singing and learning every day. I says igloo, igloo, cold and bright. J says jug, jug, hold on tight. K says kite, kite high. L says lion, lion, roar so wild. N says monkey, monkey, jump, jump. N says nest, nest, safe and snug. O says orange, orange, juicy treat. P says parrot, parrot talk so sweet. IJKL, let's spell man O-P, sing with glee. At DQQ. Q says king crown so bright. ER says R, rainbow, rainbow shining light. E says sun, 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 warm and round. T says tiger, tiger, big and strong. U says U, umbrella, umbrella, open wide. B says B, violin, violin, play with pride. W says whale, swim so free. X says xylophone, xylophone, play with me. Y says yogurt, yogurt, yummy and cool. Z says zebra, zebra, stripes so cool. I to ZZ, now we know. Letters, sounds, watch us grow. At Doodle Kids School, we love to play, singing and learning every day.